Hi, it's Mr. O'Mara here, and this is a short tutorial on comparing prices, and it's also to do with percentages. So here's the question. Shop number 1 is selling this bike for $1,200 with a 10% discount. Shop number 2 is selling this bike for $1,000 with a 10% sales tax on top of that. Where is the cheapest place to buy this bike? So to solve this, what we need to do is we need to actually do both of these, work out what I'm actually going to have to pay up here at shop 1 and what I'm going to have to pay here at shop 2. So on this page I'm going to do the calculation for shop 1. So it's a $1,200 bike and I'm getting a discount of 10%. So what I'm going to do is, instead of paying 100%, I'm getting 10% off, which means I'm paying 90%. I move my decimal place across and realise that I'm paying 0.9 of, and that last zero is redundant, you don't actually need that there, of $1,200. And because it's the way I roll, I'm going to use the calculator to do 0.9, although in truth I could probably do it in my head by taking off 120. In fact, I know 10% is going to be 120, because looking at that I can see that if I moved it across, my decimal place across, it'd be 120. So I'm going to take 120 off 1,200, and I know that I'm paying $1,080. But just to be sure that I didn't just make that up, I'm going to pop across and check it on the calculator. So it's $1,200, so I'll just clear that out, times 0.9, because that's the price. So it is 1,080. So popping back, the price from shop A is $1,080. Okay, shop B. I'm actually going to go to a new slide for this, so I've got a bit of working space. Or it's not shop B, it's shop number 2. So that's $1,000, but I've got to pay 10% on top. So I'm paying the 100, but instead of taking a percentage off, I'm actually adding a percent. So I'm going to be paying 110% of the price, and I know by moving my decimal point 2 places that that's 1.1. So instead of timesing it by something smaller, I'm timesing it by something bigger. So it's $1,000 times 1.1. Now I happen to know that that's $1,100, but just to be sure, I'm going to pop across to the calculator and I'm going to see that for sure. So here we are again at the calculator. I clear it out. I put in $1,000 and I'm timesing it by 1.1. Press enter and it's $1,100. So that is in fact the correct answer, which is good. So I didn't need that equals there at all. I'll just quickly get rid of that. So we see that at shop number 2 it is in fact going to cost $1,100. At shop number 1 it's going to cost $1,080. So the correct answer here, the cheapest place to buy the bike, is at shop number 1. So that's how you do that kind of